Hey guys, I'm Eli. I want to pull my tooth out with the remote control car. I'm so scared.
You're scared?
Yeah.
What's happened here? Smile. Is that dental floss?
I got braces.
Who has the controls? Oh no. Okay. And oh my. So you can see what's happening here, folks. Oh. All right. Okay.
You want to drive
up.
yourself?
Yeah.
You won't do it though, will you? If you don't have the guts, then here. Evie, let Eli try it, and if he doesn't have enough guts, then you can do it. Hang on. Smile. 3, 2, 1. Wait. No, we're gonna say take 2. Evie, when you say go, he's gonna go. Okay. 3, 1.
Go.
Well, you didn't give it any juice.
Okay, this is take 3. Eli, are you ready?
Yeah.
You guys ready for this? Okay, let's get this tooth out.
2, 1.
Open your mouth and go.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah! Look at me! Yeah! Where's the tooth? Let's see that baby. No, the tooth. Where is it? Remote control car extraction. Eli. Hey, come on, say something for the crowd.
Woo!